Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 7D Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, you want to hold your power button and select power off. Ignore the AI voice assistant. Select power off, and once the device turns off, you want to hold the power button and the volume up at the same time. After a moment, you'll see the HUAWEI logo on the screen. Come on. I think I might have started holding it a little bit too early, so I'm gonna let go of the buttons and start holding them again. Now once you see the HUAWEI logo, let go of the power button. And also when you see the recovery mode, you can let go of the volume up. In here, all you need to do is select safe mode, and this will initiate a reboot and boot you into the safe mode. Now I will warn you, safe mode is designed for troubleshooting your device, so if you don't have any kind of problems software based, there is really no reason for you to boot into it, as it does limit the usability of the device quite a bit. So all the applications that you've installed yourself will be temporarily disabled, and only the pre-installed ones will function. Now in here you can see that the applications that are disabled actually disappear from your home screen, so no more applications in here. So if you have application that is causing you problems automatically turns on, you might want to find it by going into your settings and for instance apps, and finding it in that list and getting rid of it, obviously. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, all you need to do is hold your power button. Oops, let's get rid of that. Let's try that again. Hold power button and select restart. Now the device will reboot, and when it boots back up, it automatically goes back to normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.